Well, the R&D tax credit, also known as the manufacturer's tax credit, is a great way for taxpayers to reduce their tax liability. And namely, the R&D tax credit is a very broad tax credit. And the first way that it's broad refers to the scope of potential beneficiaries. Anyone from a mom and pop business all the way up to a Fortune 500 company could potentially take advantage of this tax credit, so long as whatever they're doing fits the definition of R&D under the tax code. And that definition of research and development under the tax code is actually the second way that this credit is so broad in its scope. It basically covers any taxpayer who is performing activity that goes toward the development of either a new or improved product, manufacturing process, formulation, software, or invention. So as you can see, it's not really just reserved for large companies with dedicated R&D departments or anything like that. And then when you also take into consideration that 98% of SEMA's members are manufacturers, and that they average anywhere from 2 to 10 new products a year, offering everything from electrical to mechanical to chemical products, and that 85% of those perform all of their development activity fully in-house, it's really easy to see how quickly the immense amount of tax savings that SEMA members could potentially save on a year-to-year basis. At the end of the day, it really boils down to, for SEMA members, the real question then becomes, why not the R&D tax credit?